In this video, we'll go from this to this using this. Okay, so I actually have done a couple of screen replacement fixing videos. This one, I basically just wanted to test out a new mic I have, and I wanted to fix the screen. So I thought, what the heck, I'll go ahead and shoot video of this. So I'll show you how to replace the screen on your screen door, storm door, whatever you want to call it. Okay, to remove the glass, of course you just do like you normally would to raise it. Pull these in. And then pull this out just a little bit. And I'm going to drop it down. Just pull it out at an angle. And of course, to put it back in, it's reverse of that. Alright. So for the screws, there's two on each side except for the bottom. These are very small screws, they're real short. Be careful not to lose them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out. There's some screws along the sides here. There's one right here. There we go. Now I got the frame out. Now we're just going to take it outside and do the screen. Okay, so I got it out here on the patio furniture on the table out here, and I'm going to go ahead and install the screen. So, got it laid over there, got a rough cut done. So I'm just going here. Oops, wrong end. Push that down. Like so. Went ahead and pre-cut one little piece of welt to go in, just kind of get it started. And it is not wanting to go in. This thing's got a weird ridge on it that you wouldn't normally have on most screens. Just gonna go ahead and okay, once we get that seated in, and I'm not real happy with that one. There we go. Then take a utility knife and trim it off. What I'm going to do is go to the top of it now, put it in, then we'll go along and do the sides. Pull it tight. Need that. Let's see if we can make that corner. And always go back and check the edges. That's where it's most likely to pop up at. Get that. Okay, then as they say, reverse and reinstall. And I stuck this back in while I was doing other stuff. So basically just put it in at an angle, I don't know, 30-degree angle or whatever, and slide it back in. So make sure the locks are locked on it, and pop the screen in. And screw it down. What you're doing?
That's doing the cardboard. That's stuffing on the cardboard, Daddy.
Alright, there we go.
Hey.
Got the screen in. And now we're bug free, right? Is that good, Ruby? No more bugs? Alright, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Oh, and as usual, there will be a link in the description to all the materials I used and the tools. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.